Hello everyone, welcome to CSP2P YouTube channel. So today we're going to learn about .NET Framework. So .NET Framework provides us a platform where we can create and run software applications. And .NET says it's a cross-platform. Means you can develop an application in Windows, you can run it in Linux or Mac. That means the app can run in any operating system. And it is open source. Open source means community contribution is there. The source code is available in GitHub and you can also be a contributor. So let's move to architecture of .NET Framework. See, this is a small diagram I have designed for you. So .NET Framework basically supports C#, F#, and VB. Correct? So these are the programming languages. Okay? And this is the compiler. Then this is CLI, Common Intermediate Language. Then CLR, Common Language Runtime. Then machine code. Okay? So here two major components are there. One is your CLR and another one is your class library. So CLR is Common Language Runtime. Okay, it is basically, you can say, it is the execution engine that handles running applications and also provides services like your thread management and garbage collections and your exception handling and so on. So this is about your CLR. And coming to your class library provides some predefined classes like string, date, and numbers. So these are the predefined classes available in class library in the .NET Framework. So the application that has been written in C#, it's compiled. Once it's compiled, then compiled code is stored in assembly file with a extension name .dll or .exe file. Okay, so when an application runs the CLR takes the assembly and use a just-in-time compiler to run it into machine code. Fine. This is all about your architecture.